Hello guys, welcome to How to Money. The Gamestop saga is the topic of the moment, and yes, we need to talk. The financial world now knows what many of us have known for a while. The game has changed. This is my takeaway from what happened around GameStop and WallStreetBets. This isn't something that took hold overnight, but rather the culmination of a number of trends that have been evolving for decades. We just didn't see them. Well, what's WallStreetBets, you may ask? WallStreetBets is a subreddit created in 2012 and has 3 million followers worldwide, discussing finance, making money, stocks, options, futures, and all finance-related products. There is a deep disrespect in Western society for banks and hedge funds, also called smart money, who constantly profit from the expense of the little guy, the retail investor, also called dumb money, or simply just you and me. Whether it is the 2008 crisis, naked short selling, or hedge funds front-running trades, the dumb money feel like they are constantly at a disadvantage, and they actually are. Many times they are hurt and don't even realize they were participating in a game run by others, in a game they don't understand. So you have millions of people who are psychologically scared from the past, combined with a continued feeling of being left behind or being played. But the internet steps in and creates a lifeline. The access to information, communication tools, and financial markets has suddenly increased significantly. Unlike a decade or two ago, you don't need a Bloomberg terminal and a legacy brokerage account to invest in financial products. You just need a phone, an internet connection, and as little as $1. When you arm the retail investor with information, communication tools, and access to market, you create a scenario where the average guy can face off against these institutions that have played a rigged game forever. Except there is one problem. The second that this new narrative starts, the game is being shut off. Yeah, you heard that right, shut off. In fact, yesterday, Robinhood, a very popular broker from the United States, disabled the ability for users to trade GameStop stock. Discord kicked WallStreetBets from the platform. Can you believe it? Hedge funds can rig a game for decades, ripping off retail investors, but when retail investors try to play the same game, they are stopped. Are you serious? Quite literally, the hedge funds and financial institutions are desperate and crying because they are losing money. Smart money bet against a stock, opening a crazy amount of short position, pushing its price down, while a coalition of dumb money made it soar and made the smart money lose billions of dollars. Isn't that somehow poetic? Hedge funds are currently being exposed by random people of the internet. So what's my take on this? This is the best marketing campaign for future digital decentralized financial system. Bitcoin is showing the middle finger to central banks. Digital assets that trade 24/7 is where we are all heading. Whether you are rich, poor, smart, dumb, informed or uninformed, whether you live in the United States, in Europe or in Asia, you will always be allowed to participate in the markets, in the free markets. If you're right, you win. If you're wrong, you lose. There is still a lot of work that needs to be done to realize this vision, but we are on the way. Robinhood can halt the trading of various stocks, but nobody can shut down Bitcoin. No one can shut down decentralized exchanges. It isn't about hoping that people and companies do the right thing anymore. It's about building technology that does the right things always, 100% of the time. From an investment point of view, should you buy GameStop stock? There is an argument that GameStop stock was undervalued, but hardly anyone believes that GameStop has the fundamentals to support these surging stock prices. At some point, it will go down. So is this some kind of bubble from an investor standpoint? I think it is, but that's the problem with bubbles. If you get out too early or if you don't buy any stock, you lose the chance to cash out an incredible amount of money. If you buy the top, well, you know what happens. If you bought GameStop stock for other reasons in the past, I think you should truly sell it and take your profits. If you missed the early WallStreetBets pump, I generally suggest you to stay away from it. Yes, you could theoretically make some money, but the chance of losing a good portion of your investment is too high to ignore. The GameStop saga is a battle of amateurs versus professional, rebels versus the establishment, dumb money versus smart money. At the moment, retail investors or dumb money are winning, but like all bubbles, this one is going to burst at some point. It's going to burst really hard. Probably it will leave some latecomers moneyless. So thank you for your attention. If you like this kind of content, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below if you want me to cover other topics. Have a great day. Thank you.